everyone, it's all welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a lovely day. Today I am going to be doing a testing of the Clinique Ready in 5 Soft Glam makeup bundle. So inside this little set you get a dual-ended eyeshadow, a lipstick, a lip liner, a liquid liner and a mascara. So what we're going to do is we're going to open these up. This video is not sponsored, so all of the products that are featured I received for Christmas, and all opinions that you will be hearing are my own. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up each of the products. I like how they're individually wrapped as well. It reminds me a bit of my advent calendar. It gives you a sense of mystery. Prior to filming, I went in with my usual concealer. I used the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and the Kiko shadow stick in the shade number 7. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move on to eyes. I'm going to be keeping this fairly neutral because I have a feeling that all of these products will be along the neutral route. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in with this High Impact Shadow Play Shadow and Definer dual ended crayon. So this one here, the shade I've got here is in Flame and Ember number 07. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little talk about the product here. And this one end has the wind up crayon, which I absolutely love, and I'll be able to cover a large area pretty quickly. The other end is where you twist it and you have like a little foam dauber with a pigment where you could use it to put a liquid eyeshadow in the crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little swatch of this on my hand before I put it on my eye. Oh yes, that's a lovely golden colour. So I can definitely see myself wearing this in like towards the end of winter, because I mean we are over halfway through winter, and I definitely see myself wearing this on my video on my channel over the coming videos. I do have a juice video coming up, so this will feature in here alongside some of the other products that I got from Christmas, as well as many favourites that I've been on my channel for quite a while. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring you guys in closer. This little set you have pretty much a full face apart from the foundation and blusher, which you can always do prior to filming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a wash of this on my eyelid. Oh yes, this looks really nice, and it feels so creamy and glides on like a dream. And I absolutely love the formula of this. It's so creamy. And as you can see here, it is a nice rich golden brown colour. And I'll definitely see myself wearing this pretty much on a daily basis. If I needed to take my makeup travelling, I would definitely see myself wearing this. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of this dauber. I might need to have a brush at the ready. Here we go. And then using my mirror, I'm going to try and sketch out how I would use this end of the shadow. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably draw a little dab on the outer part of my eye. And then I'm going to, and that was just like a liquid shadow as well, so it was almost like a stamp. So if I wanted to just do a quick eye, I'll definitely see myself taking this on my travels. If I was to go on holiday again, this would probably be something that I'll take with me if I was to wear it on a night out. And then I'm going to apply this as a light wash through my crease. And I've noticed that when you blend it out, it looks more softer as opposed to when you first stamp it on. From what I can see in my viewfinder, it looks like something that looks quite heavy, but trust me, give it time and then blend out a little bit, it doesn't look so bad. I think that looks absolutely gorgeous as well. I'm really happy with the dual-ended one. I don't think I own a dual-ended eyeshadow, so it's nice to receive one of these in this little bundle. Okay guys, moving on to my next step, and that is to do a liner. So in this little gift set, I'm just going to open, I should have done this before I got started. So inside here you get a liquid liner, and then I'm hoping, is it the Quick and Easy liner, or do you think it's a different one? I'm hoping it's the Quick and Easy because that is one of my favourites. Oh, actually, so just open this little packet and it turns out the lip liner and the eyeliner are actually wrapped up together. So, okay, this is a slightly different one, but I'm excited to see what this is. One I have here is the Clinique High Impact Easy Liquid Liner. The one I have is the Quick and Easy one, whether or not they've just renamed it or if this is in fact a different one to the one I've known and trusted. But we shall see if this does as good a job as the Quick and Easy, or whether or not this is just renamed to the High Impact. As you can see here, it has got a brush nib, like a tip nib, and I like how long it is as well. I'm not going to be taking this in all the way into my eye. I'm just going to go on the outer third of the eye, and I'm just going to be doing a wing at the end. Oh, that's really precise as well. So if you're just wanting to do a little skinny wing, this is definitely the pen for you. And the one I've got is in the colour, it's just in the colour black. I am hoping to see if I can find a brown eyeliner, because it would be nice to do brown on my channel for a change. And it's something I might get myself in the spring. Oh, I really like the feel of that. And I like how black that looks as well. Whether or not it is pigmented or bulletproof or budge proof, we shall see. I'll definitely see myself wearing this in my coming videos, and I am doing brainstorming for what I could do for Valentine's Day. So if I was to do another date night makeup look, I actually did another date night makeup look on my channel, so if you want to watch that again, I'll link that in the description box below. Right then, let's move on to mascara. Now the mascara in here is the one that I've absolutely loved, and I've had several of these over the years and have featured on my channel many a time before, and it is a mini version of the Clinique High Impact Mascara in the green bottle. I absolutely love this mascara. It is a lovely single coat pigmented one, and it is a one where it looks more natural and off duty. So if you're wanting something where you didn't want to go for any falsies, or if you're wanting to just go for a minimal makeup look, this is definitely a really good mascara as well. You get, how much do you get in here? You get 3.5ml in here. In the full size one you get 8ml, so this would be a really nice one to see if I could try it out, give it a second chance, because maybe I was a little too harsh on when I tried this originally, so it would be nice to give it another go. Okay guys, it is time to move on to lips. Now the lip liner I've got is the Clinique Quickliner for Lips Stylo in the shade Intense Blush number 7, and it is another wind up lip liner. I think I remember wearing one of these on prom night. I think the one I had was, I think it was called Raspberry. It was actually my mum's one, and it was just a really gorgeous raspberry pink colour that went well with I think it was a matching lipstick that I got. I believe it's called either Grandest Grape or Roundest Raspberry, so we shall see. Anyway, we're going to go in with this lip liner. Oh yes, that feels so creamy. And then, if I think this is the matching lipstick, I'll just take it out of the paper. The lipstick that I have got here is the Longwear Clinique Pop lipstick. This is in the colour Bear Pop. Haven't I received this before? I think I've received this before. And it was I think it was the one in 02 Bear Pop, which was a nude, which I think I've got in my drawer, but I'll do that in another video. So this is a really nice neutral colour. I'm just going to do a quick swatch of this on my hand. I might do this next to the lip liner because I have a feeling this might be the matching lip liner. And oh yes it is! Look! This is a really nice pinky nude colour. It's a bit of a balmy finish as well, so at least there's something here where it looks more like, it looks like one of these really high shine lipsticks as well. I like the packaging as well. I think at the beginning of last year, Clinique were relaunching their pop lipsticks, their longwear collection, and relaunching it with a nice green mirror like packaging, and I just think it looks really nice. It makes it look more, looks very premium as well, so at least it is less bulkier than the original square like packaging that they did. So I'm hoping if I was to take this on the go that it might not be as bulky. Okay guys, so this is the finished completed face of the Clinique Ready in 5 Soft Glam bundle that I got at Christmas. I absolutely love this as well. I think my favourite has got to be the lipstick and the dual-ended eyeshadow, because this is something totally new to me. I've never had a dual-ended eyeshadow, so where you get like a shadow crayon and a definer that you could put through your crease. When I first tried this out, I thought Okay, I'm a little bit worried because I thought the brown might have been a little bit harsh, but I can definitely see that either when it's something through my crease, or I could do it all over the eyelid and then I put a cream on top just to soften it a little bit. But I'm really looking forward to getting some more use out of this towards like maybe even in January, February and March, or it's something you could use year round, but I'll definitely see this as more of a winter shade as opposed to something you could wear in summer. But I'll definitely see myself wearing it on a night out, especially if I wanted to go for like a brownie kind of look, where especially like on night time I might be want to go bronze or gold. So this will definitely be a really nice shadow stick. In my next video I will be doing a dupes video where on one side of my face I will be putting the high end, so this will feature this one, and then on this side I will be doing some drugstore and showing you some great cheap alternatives to some of the ones you see on here. All of the prices I'll be including in the description box below, so you guys have a bit of a fair idea of how much each product is if you want to purchase each or any of these yourself. In the meantime guys, that is it for today's video. Be sure to smash the thumbs up button and hit the notification bell so you're the first to hear of any new videos. Let me know what your favourite makeup product is that I would love to try out, because I would love to hear some of your suggestions. In the meantime, comment below and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Thanks for watching.